back to the channel for another weekly Buc-ee's update here in Huber Heights, Ohio, Ohio's First Buc-ee's. It's Saturday, September 21st, 2024.
There's not a whole lot visibly different when you look at this site today as there was from a week ago. I'm sure a lot of the ground preparation work that they do, you just don't notice it, but doesn't mean they're not doing anything. We did try and take the drone up there and give you some different angles of the site, so change things up a little bit. That pond on the south end of the property has been drained. The picture that they showed at the groundbreaking ceremony definitely showed a pond down there, so I think what they're doing is filling in part of it and making it a little bit smaller. Time will tell. I don't believe the plan was to get rid of it, but that pond's definitely drained, and the new drone angles will show you that. It looks like they're just filling in the north side of that pond. The area over where the groundbreaking ceremony was held, they've done some work there, removed some of the gravel. It looks like the roadway that you came in for the groundbreaking is a little bit different than it was before. So, there's not a whole lot different to the eye. It's just going to be a short update video. We'll keep bringing these to you every week or every other week until we get to the grand opening. So that's going to do it for today. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any of the Buc-ee's construction updates. Thanks for watching.
See you down the road.
Goodbye.
Bye.
One of the changes from last week is you see some marker flags out there where they've marked the property up for the construction. Those stakes and flags weren't there last week.